Adrenaline, yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Hey guys, I'm Destroy the Defender, Pekio and Science Channel. Today, we are back with another tour review All-Stars, and today, it is the Power Rangers Dino Fury Dimetro Zord, or Dimetro Blaze Zord. No, just Dimetro Zord. Until I combine it with the T-Rex Champion Zord. Then it's the Dimetro Blaze Zord. I think. I don't know. As you can see, All-Stars, I finally have the Dimetro Zord, finally. Nice. And also, in other news, the Power Rangers Cosmic Fury theme song has been released. So that's also cool. But first, All-Stars, is also Days of Summer 2, Day 51, 2023 edition.
It's too late now, I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be.
So that's out of the way. First things first, All-Stars. The box. Yes, as usual, we must review the box, All-Stars, because the box does look cool this time. Again, not like it hasn't looked cool. I mean, the box rarely ever doesn't look cool. And look at it. Look at it in all of its glory. Behold, number 6. I don't know what the number 6 is for. But, yeah, on here it shows all the style. You can throw a Dimetro Blaze Zord in. Dimetro Blaze Zord. I keep going with Dimetro Blaze Zord when it just says Dimetro Zord. We're not going to talk about that, though. Zord Link. I want to be Zord Builder so bad. Anyway, on the side, you have the Dimetro, or the Fusion Ultras. What do they even call this? The Fusion Ultra Zord. Yup, on the side you have the Fusion Ultra Zord, and on the other side, you have a scale measurement of how wide, actual size, cool, of how wide the Dimetro Zord is. I don't know why they would do that. Have they done this before? I need to look at the other boxes. Yes, I keep the other boxes, All-Stars. Why? I have no idea. Underneath, nothing. Behind, this stuff. And it shows the Dino Night Morpher with the Dimetro key. That doesn't make much sense, because it'll work just fine with the other Dino Fury Morpher. We'll get to the key next, All-Stars. And then you have all the other stuff that it showcases. And then there's that length thing again. Yeah. Number 6. Why does it say number 6? 146. I still don't get that. What was the Terror Zord? Whatever. Anyway, on top, you have Power Rangers Dino Fury. That's cool. Inside, nothing's inside the box. There will never be anything inside the box, All-Stars. Another thing is instructions. I don't know why I'm showing these instructions. Why do I even show these instructions, All-Stars? I have absolutely no idea. But here, in case you All-Stars wanted to look at the instructions for no apparent reason, I don't know why you'd want to look at the instructions in the first place. Okay, moving on to the key, All-Stars. The Dimetro Zord's key, to be specific. And behold, it is here. It's orange. Nice. And the light, nice. Also nice, because wow, it's showing how much shinier this thing actually is in the light. On the side, you can see the dinosaur Dimetrodon. I don't know. I don't know what the Dimetro Zord is based off of. Obviously, some dinosaur that's named Dimetro. something. I don't know. Anyway, you got the face. And that's cool. Gold around the face. It's also, what? It's clear paint. I don't know what the name, what would it be called? I forgot the name of it. But anyway, on the back, you have this. But if you take this off, you can see the Ranger on the inside. I assume it's Amelia, because I see a skirt. So, yeah, All-Stars. And around here, that's pretty much it. And then you got this. Obviously, the Ranger on the inside of the key, as normal. And then, for comparison with the other keys All-Stars, I have brought, well, this is a bit cliche, fire and ice, huh? Yep, this is cliche. These two are very similar given the styles they were made in. Well, sorta, because this one doesn't have clear parts, but this one is all clear. Like, it's all crystal clear. All crystal clear. But this one is just... I feel like this would have been better if it was all crystal clear as well. No? Just me? Okay. The similarities are right there. And then... there's the T-Rex Champion Zord's key. Obviously, I'm going to bring it in because we have the T-Rex Champion Zord to bring in later on. And, yeah, on the back... not too different. On the front, they make the same sounds. They make the same sounds, All-Stars. This little part right here and this little part right here, yeah. They unlock the exact same sounds. That was lazy. Not gonna lie. Anyway, onto the sounds that this key can make. Or shall make. Will make. And just to prove that they make the same sounds, All-Stars, I'm leaving the T-Rex Champion Zord's key here. So, obviously, turn the morpher on by hitting the button. And now it's on. Now remove this part. This piece thing. This. And then insert key. I don't think you truly need... yeah, I think you actually do. I don't think it'll fit. Whatever. And now it is in. That's the same sounds this one made. Don't believe me? Go watch the review on this. All-Stars, go watch it. It'll play this song for a while. Now press the button, or... and then... I mean, even if these are reused sounds, All-Stars, I'm not gonna act like they don't sound that cool. I just wish the sounds were more, unique to the key. I don't believe I've heard that before. I don't think I have. But, yeah, that's all for this key. I mean, we are here for the Dimetro Zord, but just to prove that they make the same exact sounds, this part gets stuck on here. It was a delayed effect, All-Stars. See? Now watch this. See? Same exact sounds. This is lazy, but yeah, I don't really care about that, to be honest. I just wish they were more unique. That's all I'm saying, All-Stars. I just wish these keys were a bit more unique to what they did or sounded like. Right? Is that too much to ask for? I feel like that might be too much to ask for, All-Stars. Also, this key does fit into the Dino Knight Morpher. Yeah, I forgot to bring it out before, All-Stars. my mistake. And yeah, it does. You can't put this into the Dino Knight Morpher, but it's not gonna do anything different. I said it's not gonna do anything. Yeah, okay, it's not. Yeah. It'll just do that. And it do that because it couldn't get a signal, I guess. Because this is the specific side that's supposed to go into. But you can place it here. And do that. And now you can do what Zato did when he placed a key in one and a key in the other. And I don't know, maybe these keys will come to life for all I know, All-Stars. One more detail. You can see the Dimetro Zord right. Come on, camera. Focus your power. Yeah, the Dimetro Zord right there, All-Stars. So yeah, that's cool. Now, it is time to show... I forgot what I was... Nah, I'm just kidding, All-Stars. It is time to show the Dimetro Zord. Finally, we have reached the end. Well, not really. This isn't actually the end, All-Stars. I mean, this is just more or less the part of the video where we actually get to the star of the show, All-Stars. So, finally, we are here! And the Dimetro Zord, the final installation in the Dino Fury Toy Zords. Yes, I'm pretty sure this is the last one they're going with. I would have liked it if they released the Cosmic Raptor Zords, but you know, life, they did not. It was not fated that we'd get the Cosmic Raptor Zords, All-Stars. As much as I wish that we actually got the Cosmic Raptor Zords, because they are my favorite Zords. Moving on to personal grudges I'm holding against Hasbro for not completing all the Dino Fury Zords, All-Stars. Because it's literally just 3 Zords. Well, 2. Technically 2, but really 3. Because the Cosmic Raptors... Okay, I'm getting sidetracked, All-Stars. Behold, we are here for the Dimetro Zord. And first things first. The mouth. Open. Close. It opens and closes. That's nice. And the paint is also a nice... Same thing like the... Well, head. Same thing like the head. Also, chromatic? Nope, that's not the word to use for this. But at the eye, it's continuing the trend of the eyes always having that certain distinction of the black eyeliner mascara. I don't know, All-Stars. It's continuing that trend for some strange anonymous reason. I don't know why. But back here, also the tail also has the same paint. Right here. Well, it's the helmet. Not much to say about it. It's the mask helmet thing for when you make the Fusion Ultra Zord, All-Stars. That's cool. Gold right here. Gray also here. Gold, more gold. This reminds me of a chicken. I'd be lying if I said that, All-Stars. But anyway, the Dimetro Zord also comes with these things. Repaints of the gray versions of these, All-Stars. That's nice. And you can plug them on to here, if they weren't so difficult to get on. And behold, the Dimetro attack mode. Wait, it also, in instructions, it also shows that these are down. Yes, they can come down, All-Stars. So behold, the Dimetro Zord attack mode. This is the best I could come up with. That's the name, All-Stars, attack mode. I don't know why they thought this would be okay to just give us repaints. Actually, I like these. These are cool. You can actually use these as attack hands. You can use them as hands, All-Stars, which is cool. That's also cool. I don't know what else there is to say about the Dimetro Zord. There's a lot of gold here, a lot of silver here, as you can see. Gotta take these off because I need to bring it close to the camera once more. Green eye. Okay. I thought that I didn't realize that the T-Rex Champion Zord also had a green eye. I did not realize that. I really didn't. Underneath, basically the same. You have a few ports right here, just because All-Stars. Well, not just because, but for transformation purposes. When you open the mouth, it sort of looks like there's a tongue right there, which is weird. But it's not a tongue, it's this part just not moving with the rest of it because it's not real flesh. It's what? What? It's not real. I don't think I need to clarify this to you All-Stars, do I? No, I don't think I do. Okay, we're gonna compare sizes with the other Power Ranger Dino Fury stuff I possess. Okay, so first up on the size comparison list, All-Stars, would be the Stegozord. Why the Stegozord? They look the exact same. They basically have the exact same design because they're both bricks. They don't have too much pulsability. The only difference, really, you can do more with this than you can with this. There's that. So there's that size comparison. Obviously, this is a bit bigger due to this one's spine than a needle. Is that size again. And again. So that's cool. Next on the list would be the Ankylosaur. I just felt like I needed to compare something smaller than the Stegozord, and this is what I had. Could I get the Triceratops? Yeah. But I wanted to get the Ankylo because. So, yeah, there's that size comparison. This is an ant compared to what this is. You can't even see it, not even in the slightest bit. Would you be able to see such a thing? So yeah, there's that, All-Stars. Cool. This looks like an ant compared to it. And then Zato. Dino Fury Red. That's that size comparison. Now this is the ant. This is the boot. Ant meet boot. Yeah, okay. There's Zato. Okay, thank you. Thank you for complying. Alright. That's that size comparison down. And then, because I literally took out the T-Rex Champion Zord's head. 1 minute. 1 moment, please, All-Stars. Alright, there we go. You can see how this scales up in height. And because it's not straightened out, let's just make it more accurate. So, yeah. There's that. I would take my hand off so it wouldn't seem too tall, but it's actually that tall. My hand is here just to hold it up so it doesn't. See? Anyway, besides that, you got the size comparison right there. See? See what I mean, All-Stars? None of them want to comply. The downsides of having posability in your Zords. But yeah, you can see how much shorter this one, well, this one is compared to the T-Rex Champion Zord. And last but not least, on the size comparison list, All-Stars, we have, no, it's not the Moza Razor Zord, and no, it's not the Terra Freeze Zord. It is the Moza Razor Zord, though. Battle mode. That's what I meant by not the Moza Razor Zord. It's the Moza Razor Zord battle mode. And you can see how that scales out because, well, I have to put it far back, so it's obvious on how far scaled out that is. Right? Right. Okay. So, now this is the ant and this is the boot. So, it goes up to that height, All-Stars. About this half of the leg. That's cool. So now, All-Stars, it is time for the transformation. And I did the Optimus Prime voice. Let's go to the transformation. Yep, transformation. Combine it with other Zords. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, All-Stars, it is time to make the... I'm totally not looking on the box right now to see what the name of this Zord is called. No, that'll be stupid, All-Stars. It's time to make the Blazing Megazord. Well, I didn't look on the box. You looked on the box. What? Okay, let's get to how to combine these two. Shall we, All-Stars? First things first. Remove everything on this guy. Just take all this stuff off. the cannons, the drills, and the key. Because its services are no longer required, All-Stars. That'd be weird if we still needed it. Now! I forgot. Do I take off this? I don't think I do. Yes, I do. I actually do take off the head. Okay. There we go. And... okay, I did not forget what I was trying to do. I was trying to think if I should show this now, but I'm going to show this when it's all put together. So, first things first. You take all this apart. Oh, you thought I was joking when I said the Stegozord was basically the same as this. No. Oh no, All-Stars. I was not joking. They basically are just armor pieces to this guy. So, first things first. You can take this apart. And then you can place them on top as cannons, but because of the way they're designed like that, you have to put them like this, but the lightning bolts right there. So anyway, you take these, plug them onto here. This is the easier side. This side, for some reason, likes to be difficult. I have no idea why, All-Stars. Oh, now you... okay, off camera, All-Stars. It was very difficult. I literally just got this yesterday. But here we are, where I'm doing this today. That's why I did not have to figure out how to put this together, All-Stars. You're delusional. What are you talking about? Okay, next thing you know, you need this. Which, it's already upside down, so it's all clear. Next thing, you need these drills. Right? I need the drills. I'm not checking, All-Stars. You're checking. What? No. You're checking if you need the drills. I need the drills. Okay, so then you take the other drill and plug them on here. Because now I have confirmation that I was not getting mistaken. Bars? No. Okay. That's half of it. Down. Now, All-Stars, I'm realizing... No. I'll bring this up. I'll bring that up next time. Then you take this part off. And... see... I'm afraid I might lose this if I use this mode, so I'm just gonna place this back here. Usefulness, right? That's useful. And then you place the blade within the hand, All-Stars, which is sort of difficult, not really, because there's this little hole right here, port right here. And that's done. Sorta. Almost. Wait, nope. Never mind. I thought I could place this on here. I actually can place that on here. But that's not why we're here, All-Stars. Not for my custom combinations. And now, we have this. I have no idea what this is supposed to be. If it's a sword, that's one weird sword. I've seen a fire smasher look more better. And then there's the balance off. So the balance is really off. I'm just gonna place that back here so it doesn't nearly fall, All-Stars. And so finally, you place the Dimetro key into the head. And now you have the Blazing Megazord. This is cool. It's really cool. I know, All-Stars. You never expected something this cool. I mean, the head does look odd. The head looks... okay, okay, how do I show... okay, there we go. Camera, zoom in. Use your abilities. There it is. Oh, wait. There it is, All-Stars. That's cool. The head does sort of look weird, not gonna lie. We're gonna ignore that. It just looks weird, All-Stars, when it's put together within a Megazord. It does look sort of weird. But with, then you can also, for posability, you can still move the arms, because it's not like they're restricted much, and the legs, yeah, you can still move those, because they're not being restricted by anything, really. It's just the upper half that has more stuff on it, which might throw the Zord's weight off, balance off, so that's a problem, but we're gonna ignore that, okay? Seriously, what's this supposed to be? If anyone has the answer to what this is supposed to be, I'd like and appreciate that answer. This, obviously a sword. This, I don't know, a Fire Smasher. Yup, from Power Ranger Samurai. Yup, a Fire Smasher. That's what that's supposed to be. Yep, 360 view. Because why not? It looks cool. Lightning bolts still there. Still aware? What? No. What? That doesn't make much sense at all. Obviously not much going on in the back. A lot going on in the front though. Because why not? All Stars, why not? There's none to be at the back in the first place, so that's cool. You can still move the arm. Like I said, there's still a lot of posability with this. The head, I never thought about this now, did I? Okay, going up. Zord, I'm gonna need you to stay there while I go up. I need you to stay there. Zord. Okay, thank you. I need to go up. All right, behold, All Stars. Now, as you can see, the head can move. Head tilt. Head tilt. Head tilt. Okay, there's not much tiltage to go looking down, but you get the gist of it, All Stars, right? Right. Okay, cool. Now, I have thought, what if the Dimetro Zord just wasn't upside down, but rather it was right side up? But then I figured out, this looks weird. You can't even see the head. So, we'll be stuck with the Dimetro Zord's head being upside down. Because why not, All Stars? Why not? Now this, All Stars, is one way we figured out we were already gonna get the Dimetro Zord, because the Moza Zord does this. That's one way we figured it out. But anyway, All Stars, it is time to make the Electro Zord, which actually sounds like a Zord piloted by Electro himself. We're gonna ignore that weird, out of place detail and get to the transformation. And as you can see, All Stars, I just took Dimetro Zord apart. Who committed this crime? I don't know. Somebody committed the crime. I didn't commit the crime. I just collected the pieces of the crime and put them together. What? Okay, moving on, All Stars. To first make the Electro Zord, you need to, well, move this top half, because we're doing a lot of taking apart today, as you can see, All Stars. Then you'll take these arms off next, but that's for later. Right now, you need these. Okay, not the right way. And place them like that. Okay, I'm gonna get all this other stuff out of the way, because we don't need that right now. Now do we, All Stars? No, we do not. Okay, take these apart. Then you're gonna call in the Moza Razor Zord's friends, which are the fist of the Moza Razor Battle Mode Zord. Battle Mode Zord? What? That's not the name of it. I forgot the name of it. We're gonna ignore that. Then you plug them on here. Because well, it needs feet, All Stars. The Electro Zord needs feet. It's a hybrid Zord, not like my hybrid Zord. That's a different story that I will not go into, All Stars. So we're just gonna... And finally, there's a reason for these and these. Just put them together. Just put them together, All Stars. It'll all work out in the end. I don't know how much sense that made. Probably not much, right? I don't think it made too much sense. Then you're just gonna let that sit. And here's the lightning bolts. That's what the lightning bolts are for, All Stars. And then you bring the head back in. And not only that, you bring in the arms. Yes, I took the arms off of the Moza Razor Zord. Just because, All Stars. Not really, because we... Actually, wait, yeah, this right here, and turn them around like that. Same thing with here. Plug them on, turn them around like that. Put the arms up. Hands up! Not really, because the Dimetro Zord never bows down. I don't know what I just said. I said something, and that's almost half of it done, All Stars. So next thing's next. Next thing's next. First things first. Is next thing's next even a saying? I have no All Star. Okay. First things first, All Stars. You gotta also need this, but you gotta want to take that off because that goes somewhere else. Alright, so where was I before the almighty powerful camera death struck the entire camera? Well, not camera death. The camera battery died. And anyway, All-Stars, back to what I was doing. You take these two parts, and you combine them. I said you combine them. Yeah, now it's like that. Now, All-Stars, you take these four parts up top right here, and these four parts. Well, actually, no, not these. Not these. These. And you take the back four right here, and you plug them in. And now, it has a spine. The Zord now has a spine, All-Stars. Isn't that delightful? It has a spine. What? I don't know what I'm going on about, All-Stars. Anyway, next part. You take this, and then you take... Seriously? Did I just drop it? I just dropped it, All-Stars. We'll be right back. Okay, I got it. Now we take this part, and then you plug this onto here, because why not? I don't see the point in attaching it. And now you plug this onto here, in there, All-Stars. I'm not gonna do that accent. You have you have, wait, one more thing. Boop. I don't know why I made that so dramatic. It did not need to be that dramatic, All-Stars. So now, you have the Electro Zord. Which, not gonna lie, looks cool. Looks really cool, All-Stars. I'd be lying if I said it didn't look cool. Because, well, it looks cool. I cannot deny such things. Such facts. To deny such facts would be blasphemy upon this land. Now, look at it, All-Stars. In all of its glory. Looks cool. The light, I cannot see what the camera sees through the light. It's not as bright as the camera points it out to be with the lighting, but hey, if the camera says it looks that shiny right here, it looks that shiny, All-Stars. And yeah, not gonna lie, once again, looks cool. Posability, you can move the hands, that's the posability. And this part likes to go back down. I don't know why. I really don't. And you can open the mouth still. That's also cool. Yeah, once again, All-Stars, I don't know where else I'm supposed to go with this. This part keeps going back down. I don't understand why. I guess I just loosen the joint thing the more I actually use this, despite it not needing to be used with anything else other than this Electro Zord mode. Cool, 360 view. Yeah, that might not be happening. It hits the back of the screen, All-Stars. So there's that side-by-side view of that. That's nice. Cool, right? Electro Zord. Now, what I was gonna point out earlier with the Dimetro Zord's head being upside down, you can't help but feel bad for Dimetro Zord. The amount of blood that flows through just straight to his head, All-Stars, because his head is solely to be upside down in every transformation that I've seen. So the amount of blood that flows through his head just... oh, that can't be good for his health. Does being a Power Ranger come with health benefits? I hope it does. Well, being a Power Ranger Zord, does that come with health benefits? It probably does, ever since those Zords back in Mighty Morphin got destroyed. It probably does come with health benefits. Okay, what am I going on about, All-Stars? But anyway, size comparison. Yes, we're doing that again. So, the Stego Zord. You can see how that scales out. And then, the Anklo Zord. You can see how that also scales out, All-Stars. Yeah, that's cool. And then you got Zayto, Dino Knight Red, Dino Fury Red. You can see how that scales out. But he's so small compared to this. You can have him just sit, chill. He's chilling. He's chilling with his friends. Yeah, most of his friends. The only friends he got here, All-Stars, are the Zords. That's all he can trust. So, yeah, that's cool. this size comparison all-stars. So next up, we have the Primal Ultra the Fusion Ultra Zord. I don't know where I was going with that. Let's just cut to that part, right? Okay, let's go to that part. All-stars, I just took this off of the Electro Zord, and I just realized this will make a really cool weapon for the Dino Fury Zord. It would be a cool weapon, and it can actually be used as a weapon because of this part. Right here. It can actually be used as a weapon. I mean, if you want to use it as a weapon, you can. I'm just saying, it's an option. I haven't tried it, but I can guarantee I will try it, all-stars. So back to the regular scheduled programming. Okay, so first things first, all-stars. As you can see, we have the T-Rex Champion Zord right here. What is he doing? I don't know what he's doing, all-stars. But I did realize I forgot to show you, all-stars, something. These things, they can be used as weapons. I know I said they can be used as hands. We're gonna move past that earlier. I said that, don't worry about all-stars. But they can be used as weapons. Or multi-purpose tools. You can use them as arm blades. That's cool. I guess. I don't really know, all-stars. But yeah, the reason you're here and made it this far into the video is to see the Fusion Ultra Zord, is it not? Or just to see what the Dimetro Zord can do? I don't know why you're watching this video, but keep watching, please. Because now, you can see how to make the Fusion Ultra Zord. So, first things first, obviously, you're gonna need this, and then you take this, the Moza Razor Zord's leg. Also, this leg comes with this part, so it can plug into the other leg. But we don't need that, so we're just gonna plop it on here. And as you can see this, all-stars, the 4 ports here and 4 ports under here, and you just lock them in. Just like that, all-stars. Just like that, all-stars. Okay, I was struggling a bit, but we're gonna move on. Now, another thing to note is the knees. These things. You're supposed to plug them on here, but we're not gonna do that, all-stars. See, now you can if you want to. You can just plug the legs on here. Now, if you want to, you can. But that's not what I'm going to do. So basically, I became Miles Morales and said, and so yeah, I'm gonna do my own thing, and I'm just gonna plug these right onto here because I'm gonna do my own thing. Why? Because I can. Wait, hold on. Yep. All right. This worked earlier. Why won't it work now? Don't be difficult. No. Why? Seriously, this worked earlier. Okay, wait. I might just be incompetent. Nope. Okay. Somehow, some reason it's... Oh, there we go. Behold, it works. And do the same for there, because there's ports here. And behold, the legs. Now I will admit this sort of looks weird, but not gonna lie, to me it looks better than when I use these. So, moving on from that part, we now take this, all-stars. I flipped it in my hand and did this. Okay, yep, dropped it. That was on me, all-stars. Apologies. I got it. Cool. We're gonna put that over there because... Actually, no, we're gonna go with this now. See? You open this up, all-stars. Exposing the red, and blue. I'm not colorblind. And plug it on here, because there's ports here, and there's also this here. So that's that. That's also cool. And, of course, the unbalancedness of the Zord, because they're not too durable. I'm not gonna lie, all-stars. The Dino Fury Zords, they're not too durable. But I'm gonna look past that. And now we're gonna place these on top, all-stars. Same way as before. Onto the shoulders. Because now it has cannons. Why does it have cannons? I have absolutely no idea. But hey, it is what it is, all-stars. And now... the arms, they require a tool, a main purpose, a main function. They require these. That's one head. And you just plug that on here. And to completely secure it, actually, wait, hold on. Turn the head. This way, the gold part's on the part with these. Then you plug these on here. Then you take one of the cannon pieces, plug them on here to make sure it doesn't absolutely fall off, because this is a weaker half of mine, so I assume that's why I have to do. Actually, you have to do that because they also do it on the show, and that's how it shows it in the instructions, but there's a main purpose to it, All Stars. There truly is. I'm convinced they found that flaw and decided to do that. Now, with the other arm, T-Rex Champion Zord's head. You take the 2 drills and the 1 gun, and now you combine them to this. And not only just that, you take T-Rex Champion Zord's head, plug it on right here. And now, All Stars, we are almost complete. Not completely complete. Completely complete? What? What? I don't know. Completely is a word. I was about to question if that was a word or not, All Stars. And now we need to form the head. Let's go, Voltron. Nope, it's not Voltron. Yeah, I need to bring the camera up higher. So I'm gonna do that, All Stars. And we are up. I think. Yeah, we are up, All Stars. We're always up. We're never down. Well, we sort of were down. Whatever, All Stars. It is what it is. I forgot to put this back on there, but me personally, see, you would have to put this back on here. But I don't like to put it on there because that restricts a lot, and it also doesn't work too well. They really could have just made this a mask. I get what they were trying to go for, but they could have done completely the exact same thing that they did with the Terra Free Zord, All Stars. Because I actually prefer what they did with that mask more than what is going on here. Okay, besides, once again, personal things that I wish they did, take the T-Rex Champion Zord's head. Hold on, can you stand real quick? I'm gonna need you to stand. Okay, so, you see, what you would normally do is place this on here and then fold the head back. But, since that won't be a thing happening today, we're just gonna take this off. I don't recommend this unless you're prepared for the full consequences of this might break off and permanently you will never be able to reattach this. Never. You're gonna get rid of this. We're gonna get rid of that. And then you're gonna plug this on the head because it almost works exactly the same way as a Terra Free Zord's mask. And first things first, look at the head. Looks very cool. Okay, now you attach this to the head. And now it's complete. The Primal Fusion Ultra.
Emotional damage.
Seriously? This is how we operate now, huh? Thought we had this talk. I thought we had this talk. This is how we operate now, All Stars. Anyway, now we have the... I can't put this back on. Okay, there we go. The Fusion Ultra Zord. Complete. In its full glory. What would that glory be? I have no idea. I have now taken the liberty to now stand up, seeing as the camera's higher up. Okay, All Stars, so look at it. Actually, the legs don't look that cool anymore. I'm not gonna fix it though. That's an off-camera type deal that we deal with, All Stars. That's an off-camera thing. Now, as you can see, it's perfect. Now, moving closer into the head. Camera, focus. Focus, camera. Focus, camera-san. What? You All Stars can see the head, right? The camera just doesn't want to focus today. I don't know why. Okay, well, this is as far as the camera will focus to. I don't know why. I don't think the camera's that good anymore. Okay, well, it's focused properly. Whatever. Anyway, thanks to the fact that I have gotten rid of this, All Stars. I mean, you can place it on there again. It's just going to be even more difficult to get any mobility out of this. But You can now turn the head properly. That's cool. If it was still attached, you lose all ways to actually move the head. But the arms, they very much do move. They still move, All-Stars. They move as much as they did before. That's cool. Also, I was thinking, what if, about this T-Rex Champion Zord's head, what if it was not the only head? Because I think, All-Stars, if we got rid of the Moza Razor Zord's head, and then I replaced it with this, and then give me the drill. Give me the drill. No, give me the gun. Wait, yeah, give me the drill. That might work better. Is it? No, okay, it's on now. Alright, so now, All-Stars, it is done. Because for some reason, I didn't find it right that the head just was missing. Wasn't part of this, so it doesn't look that cool as I thought it did before. I'm gonna fix this custom combination thing, and then we're gonna actually, yeah, look at it properly now, All-Stars. So I fixed it, All-Stars. Okay, I fixed it. I fixed the, well, mostly fixed it. This part is still not on there, because, once again, the head would not look right. So, we're never gonna use that part. I just casted that off to the far side of my room. Why? I'm gonna go look for that later. Anyway, All-Stars, this is it. Fusion Ultra Zord. Can I do a 360? Yeah, I'm gonna do a 360. This is what it looks like from the side. Mostly what it looks like. Behold what it looks like from the side, All-Stars. On that side. And then, yep, okay. And then, from the side over here. Yeah, okay, why'd the Moza Razor Zord have to be a part of this? It destroys everything. It breaks the vibe of it all-Stars. Ignore the wall. Now, I would go to the back, but there's literally nothing there, All-Stars. I can tell you right now, there's nothing there to the back of it. So, that's cool. Posability, you can move the legs and the arms. I would, if it didn't risk the chances of, if it didn't have the chances of something on here falling off. I don't want something falling off, All-Stars. Believe me, something will fall off. Like this guy. Or, actually just this guy. I don't want something falling off and then I have to redo it all over again. So, yeah, All-Stars, I'm gonna throw this back into the Blazing Megazord. And we'll end the video off. Real quick, All-Stars, I just want to compare the two mask crowns things that come with the Terra Freeze Zord and the Dimetro's Blaze Zord. Whatever. Anyway, All-Stars, you can see how cool this one looks. Really, a lot of gold. Like, a lot of gold. That's a lot of gold. Power Rangers 2017 reference. If you get the reference, comment down below, All-Stars. I do way too many references in a single video. Anyway, this crown looks cool. I'm calling them crowns. Okay. Guess I'm doing that now. Then this one also looks cool. I prefer the way this one looks more, though. Probably because of how it has two of these. It also has two of these, but yeah, All-Stars, you know, you can see that the way they attach to the T-Rex Champion Zord's head is almost the exact same way. And that's it, All-Stars. That is pretty much all of it. I just wanted to compare the two. I feel like somebody wanted me to compare the two. I don't know why. They look cool, though. The crowns look cool. I'm calling them crowns again. Okay, anyway, All-Stars, ending the video off. So here you have it, All-Stars. The Dimetro Zord review. And the Blazing Zord. Ending the video off. But this would be basic. To not do this, All-Stars, it'd be wrong if I didn't bring in his close relative, the Moza Freeze Zord. I just wanted to bring the two and see. Now you can compare the two now, All-Stars. You can't say I didn't bring the two into the same video. You can't say I didn't. Now look at how cool they look. Look at how cool they look together. I don't know, All-Stars. Now, rate this 1 through 10, and rate this 1 through 10. I give these both 10s, only because I designed this Zord. I did not design this configuration. I designed this configuration. I didn't design this configuration, All-Stars. So without further ado, as I destroy the fanning offer to the sing. If you're new coming to the channel, just like, comment, subscribe. If you're a return subscriber to the channel, just like, consider commenting, and unsubscribe, please. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to the Moza Free Zord, or the Blazing Megazord. Honestly, I don't even remember what I called this. I'm calling it the Moza Free Zord, though, because that feels like what I called it. It feels like I called it that, All-Stars. So yeah, without further ado, as I destroy the fanning offer to the same. This has been Days of Summer Tube, day 51. Honestly, this would have been a great finale to Days of Summer Tube with the Dimetro Zord being the finale. But we don't end Days of Summer Tube until August 31st, All-Stars. So, yeah. That's it, All-Stars. That's it. So without further ado, once more, as I destroy the fanning offer to the same. Remember, stay on the All-Star team, boy. And peace out.